Dear parents and educators, let's know about the important aspects of the early childhood. What is the NEP 2024 policy? It ensures that every child gets appropriate start in school to support his educational endeavor in the future. What is the new education policy? It expands and strengthens the system of early childhood education institutions consisting standalone Anganwadis, primary schools. And what is the concept of early childhood? Early childhood comprises a number of life stages marked by developmental milestone. Here we define early childhood as period from birth to 8. What is the impact of NEP on preschool? It ensures a uniformity in this curriculum for betterment of children's future. Equality is focused among different sections of society. What are the 3 R's in ECCE? Relationships, reputation, routine. Strong connection help children feel safe, valued, and confident to explore the world. Through repetition, children build mastery, particularly in language and motor skill. What is NEP for kindergarten? It aims to provide an inclusive and quality education to all children starting from their early years. What is the role of ECCE in NEP? The NEP 2020 emphasizes the role of well-trained and motivated teachers and caregivers in ECCE. They play a crucial role in facilitating children's learning, providing a safe and nurturing environment, and fostering positive relationships. What is the national curriculum for ECCE 2024? It covers all domains of development as per the National Curriculum Framework for Fundamental Stage 2022 NCFS, including physical, motor, cognitive, language, and literacy, socio-emotional, as well as positive habits.